Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how to create consistent images using this particular platform. So if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube will get straight to more persons, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video like this. So I dropped a video a few hours ago on how to create images using this particular platform. But in this particular tutorial, you're going to learn how to create consistent characters. That is, all the images you're going to be creating are going to be the same, just different background, different outfit, but they're still same person. So if you want to get started, I would advise you go and watch this particular video so you understand how to get started with the platform. You get to familiarize yourself with the platform because this video is going to show you how to make your images consistent. So the first thing I do is whenever I see a picture that I love on the internet, what I do, I copy that particular picture, take it to ChatGPT to generate a prompt that will give me almost the same thing as that particular picture. So for example, I came to the internet and I searched for wedding images and I saw this particular picture you're seeing here on the right hand side. I loved it. So I copied it, took it to ChatGPT, and then I asked ChatGPT to give me a text to image prompt to get something like this. So this was the prompt that ChatGPT gave to me. So now I copied this particular prompt and I took it to ImageFX, and ImageFX generated something like this for me. So it says a romantic portrait of a traditional African couple embracing, dressed in elegant Yoruba wedding attire. The man wears a cream agbada with coral beads. Now, because I want this particular picture I'm generating to be as detailed as possible, when you come here, you're going to see the option for more and the rest. So I click on the more and I was able to select highly detailed, and I was also able to select high contrast. I was also able to select realistic. Do you understand? Now, these are very, very important when you're creating such images. And this was the result it gave to me. And then what I did was to what? Download it. Now, I went back to ChatGPT because I want this particular picture again. I want it to be consistent. So I went back to ChatGPT and I chose ChatGPT that I want to maintain same character to give me, so give me prompts for different variations to try out. Now, for different variation, I'm actually referring to different fabrics, backdrop, lighting styles, or even outdoor and village setting or golden hours. Okay, so ChatGPT gave me a lot of that. So the first thing it gave to me was a traditional African couple in Yoruba attire stand apart but gaze lovingly at each other. So what I'm going to do now to maintain that same consistency, I'm going to copy this same particular prompt. I'm going to head back to ImageFX and I'm going to paste this. Now, please make sure you take note of what I'm about to do because this is where you get to make your content to be consistent, else you're going to miss it. So I'm going to paste this and I'm going to head over to where I have my settings, and I'm going to see, you see this particular seed now, I'm going to lock it. So I'm going to lock it so that I can maintain the same character consistency. Very, very important. So I'm going to lock it so that it's going to be the same images, but just different lightning, different background, and so on. So what I'm going to do now is to close the setting, and I'm going to come here and say create. So remember, I have downloaded the first one I did, right? I have downloaded them, and let's see what it's going to bring up for us now. Okay, so can you see now that it's still the same characters, the same husband, the same wife, but just different outfits, right? So I am going to what? Download the pictures. So it was able to give me just one picture, right? So I go back again to ChatGPT and we're going to select the one for the traditional ceremony. So I'm going to say energetic, colorful copy. I'm going to come back to image effects, and from where you have this stuff, make sure you leave this aspect of where we have our details and all that. So I'm going to copy from here and then paste my content again. So make sure that in the settings that the seed is locked. Very, very important. So make sure it is locked. I've done that and I'm going to what? Click on create again. So let's see what is going to bring out for us. Okay, so can you see that it's still the same couples. I'm going to download check out again. So you see this one now, the husband is putting on a different outfit again. You see this aspect is the wife is putting on the same outfit, but it has this kind of different styling, but still the same person. Okay, this is the consistency we want to be able to manage. Okay, so that whenever, in case you want to use it to create a video, maybe you want to turn this particular images you're seeing now to videos, it will still be the same person, but just uh, different attire, different styles, and all of that. Okay, so now I'm going to head back again because I told ChatGPT to create a lot of them for me. So I'm going to copy this and then come back again to ImageFX. So remember to always copy and stop at where you have these details. So I'm going to say create again. So that's how I'm going to do until I create all the pictures I want to create for these same characters. Do you understand? So okay, so whenever it gives you this kind of error, there is nothing to panic about. All you need to do is to just come back and click on create again. So sometimes it can sense a lot of let's say some words that goes against their privacy. Okay, the different prompt, or click on info icon for more information. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to check if there's any word that is not settled with them. Say they are seated on an ornate throne. So let's see. Surrounded by symbolic items like a beaded staff, the background is deep, lighting, evoking. Okay, so let me remove the word evoking. So I'm going to click on create again. Let's see. Okay, it's still giving me the same issue. So what I'm going to do is to probably I'm just still going to check out and see if there's any issue at all. The African couple in Yoruba ceremony attire, they are seated on a wooden throne surrounded by items like, so let's take out the symbolic first and see. And okay, ancestral motif. Okay, so I'm going to try. If it still doesn't work, I'm just going to leave this particular prompt, head over to the next one. Okay, so can you see I took out some things that are not well seated with them, and I was able to get this particular one image. So I'm going to say download. All right, so I'm going to head back to ChatGPT again, and I'm going to copy the next prompt. So I'm just going to do that for all of them, okay, until I get all the pictures that I want that ChatGPT had generated for me. So paste again, and I'm going to say create. So always make sure you download your image. It's very, very important. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this, how to create the constant character, is because somebody asked me after the video I uploaded, how can they make the particular picture to be consistent? This is just what you need to do. It's very, very simple. You don't need to do so much. Just come here and make sure that in your settings, you have been able to select the things that has to do with the settings, the things that has to do with you clicking on that seed, locking it up, so you are able to download your image. So you can see how it looks, the different attire, same couple, different attire, just like that. And it looks so amazing, isn't it? So I still have more prompt to work with. I think, oh, this is amazing. So if you want me to share this particular prompt with you, just comment prompt and I am going to share the prompt with you. That is how to make your images consistent. Just make sure that you tick this option of seed and then lock it. Make sure the seed is locked. And if you want to make your images to be more realistic, make sure to select this option of highly detailed, realistic, high contrast so that the quality of the image is going to come out so well. So please do well to subscribe to this channel if you got value, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.